That truth helped me build my life. Because in churches, we seek advice. Church members, they call the pastors. Can you give me advice? I have this in this situation. Who should I marry? No other one. And then we quote this: there is safety in having many advisors. However, I have discovered that sometimes the more advisors you have, the more confused you are. You ask Mr. A in the church, you got one advice, then you ask Mrs. B in the church, you have another advice, then you ask Mr. C another advice, and you think, whoa, what do I do? Then you are not safe. There is no safety in having many advisors at all. Safety. So what does the Bible mean with that? There is safety in having many advisors. Because I came to the conclusion that there is no safety. There is a lot of confusion in having many advisors. Here's the solution. The problem is we don't understand chronology. This is number one, then number two, then number three. If you don't have wisdom to build your house, if you have the bricks and you don't know how to build it, then you ask advisors. One will say do this, another one say do this, another one will say do this, another one will say do this. First of all, you have to walk with God and get some wisdom. Yourself, you have to have a basis of wisdom. For example, regarding a building, you have to know if you want a tower or a house or an apartment or a dog house, whatever. Okay. So the first one is my responsibility. I have to define what is this house about. God give me wisdom. Give me wisdom and insight. So I build my house because God gives me wisdom, insight, knowledge. Knowledge shall increase. Wait, I build my house. Number two, I have spiritual parents, I have spiritual fathers. Yeah. And there is a legacy. So I build my house and there is a legacy coming from my spiritual parents. The
spiritual fathers
The work number one is mine, is my responsibility. Number two is the legacy from spiritual fathers. Then we can ask advice. Because the first two are in place. Right? But if you don't do the first two, the third one will just bring confusion. Then we can listen to advice. And one will say something, one person will say something, but we are building the house, and no, that's not what I want. Or they will say something else, no, that's not the legacy. Then we can discern which advice is right and which advice is not right. Then I am safe. Amen. So don't ask for advice before you have asked God for advice. Knowledge from God, insight from God. Hey God, you want that? Yes, you want that. Yeah, I will go for that. Then there is the input from the spiritual fathers comes in. And then I can ask others, what do you think?
Бурхнаас юм мэдлэг аваад дараа нь тэр нь чинь суурьтай болно шүү дээ. Өөртөө хүн чинь дараа нь spiritual father-аас яах вэ гэдгийг асуучаад өөрийн гэсэн хүн бүрдсэний дараа хүмүүсээс зөвлөгөө аваад гэж ялгаж байна.
To seek advice is okay.
Зөвлөгөө авах бол зүгээр.
But it's not okay if you don't know what you want.
Гэхдээ юу амар мэдгүй.
Otherwise, they will decide what you want.
Or they
will bring 5 different options of what you want. Right? Number 2, if you don't have input from your spiritual fathers, then what you listen to can even confuse what we have heard from God.
Тэгээд бидний бурхнаас авсан юм зарим юмдыг бүр толгойгч эргүүлж болно гинэ. Яа тэгээд guidance хэрэгтэй байна.
That's how I did with the work in Mongolia.
Монголд тэгчихсэн.
I started ministering in 2 churches, then they didn't want me to come, then I had to find out what do I do now.
Эхлээс 2 сүмжлээд ингээд хийжсэн. Тэгсэн чинь нэг нь байлгамааргүй тэгээд тэгээд одоо би яах вэ гэж тийм.
Then I had to decide, what is it God sent me here for?
Тэгээд би өөрөө шийдэх хэрэгтэйсэн.
And to identify that.
Би яаж тодорхойлох вэ?
Then I talked with my spiritual father about it.
Тэгээд би spiritual father-тайгаа ярьсан.
And he said, go for it.
Шууд хий гэсэн гинэ.
But then there could be advisors say, oh, don't do that, you know, Mongolians and Genghis Khan is difficult. You never know. They are warriors, watch yourself.
Тэгээд зарим зөвлөгчид битээ тийг гэж хэлэх болсноо Монгол хүмүүс ийм тийм гэхдээ spiritual fathers нь яв гэсэн бурхан хэлсэн тэгжиж
then I was safe.
Тэгжиж аюулгүй байдалтай бүх болсон.
I respect the advisors.
Тэгээд зөвлөгчдийг аюу хүндэлдэг.
But I knew what he wanted.
Тэгээд би бурханы юу
and I had received a legacy from my fathers. During the years in Wa, all the conferences, I had downloaded insight, knowledge, wisdom.
Малайз явах тэр spiritual fathers юу хийх хэрэгтэй, тэг мэдлгүй зөв юмудыг сурч ирсэн нь болохоор
okay? Yes. Amen. Amen. We'll take a break. Thank you for your help. Go for it. It's difficult. I'm happy I'm not doing it. Okay, what should we say? 15 minutes? Is that okay? 15 minutes. Let's remove some of this.
To